round of a scheduled 12-round encounter between the defending champion Ray Pelonia in black against Thai challenger Jakrit Tawikun Jim, a towering Thai boxer. Eto na.
Naku, palitan na.
Nagkakatamaan.
Yung isang potent na suntok ng Thailander, yung kanyang right uppercut.
Oo, yung right uppercut.
You watch that right uppercut, matindi yun. Pati ito si Pelonia, naku, binabanata na.
Makikita mo talagang very solid sumuntok itong si Ray Pelonia.
At saka sledgehammer eh.
Oo.
Ang problema kay Pelonia, mukhang may dugo.
May cut.
Oo. I think that was a blow.
Yeah.
Blow ba yun?
Yeah. Sa tingin ko rin, mukhang blow. Kanan ang tumama.
Oo.
And Ray Pelonia, medyo tinitignan ng ating ring physician, Dr. Nazar Cruz. And okay.
Okay daw, okay. But the cut is over the eye.
Medyo delikado.
Delikado mga, pero walang point deduction yun because suntok yun. Again, ang galing. Oy! Tumama yun. Pareho sila nakatama.
Combination by Ray Pelonia.
It's going to be a slugfest.
Oo.
And we expect a short night with the way these two fighters are slugging it out.
This Thailander is not backing off.
Yes.
Palitan yung dalawa eh.
Ooh. Pelonia barely missing another solid punch, and at this point he is bleeding after receiving a solid punch from Tawikun Jim, a lanky Thai challenger who is undefeated, 10-0 with 5 KOs. But as far as his record is concerned, medyo maraming kakainin pa to kung ikukumpara natin sa record nito si Ray Pelonia, a veteran already of 55 fights.
Baba na ng kamay ni Jakrit.
But Pelonia is also a little wild, no? Kasi he's being bothered by the blood. I think he wants to go for an early knockout na ngayon before the cut becomes worse. Pero tama ka, Chairman Popoy, no? Because yung dalawang kamay ni Jakrit nakababa na.
Nakababa na. So early, ayan na naman.
Ito naman.
Yan na, this is a definite disadvantage. Tama ka, maiilang ka dyan eh.
Oo.
And at this point, mukhang malaki na yung cut.
Palagay ko, hindi malayong matitigil ito.
If they stop it, technical knockout ito.
Okay.
It continues.
Tuloy pa rin.
Tuloy. So Pelonia now is in danger of losing his championship.
Yes, because wala naman sinabing headbutt eh.
Wala
definitely a
motion.
punch from Tawikun Jim. So Tawikun Jim.
So Jakrit has a new target, that eye.
And Jakrit's punches are very sharp.
Well-timed.
Very
yung mga
well-timed.
suntok niya.
Marunong ito si Jakrit. And look at him now, parang he's swashbuckling,
Yes, and he knows na malaking advantage para sa kanya nangyayari dito. Kaya eto, ginajab-jab niya. Probably wanting to open yung wound further, no? Dito kay Ray Pelonia. Kaya hindi na siya nakikipagsabayan dito eh, because that would be a more dangerous style for him, no? Kung sasabayan niya itong si Ray Pelonia. And that is the end of the second round. And referee Gene Del Bianco is conferring with our supervisor, WBF head Mick Croucher. But it cannot be denied that Ray Pelonia is he's having a big disadvantage dito po sa laban na to, and he is in danger of losing his belt. Oh, it's a headbutt. It is a headbutt.
Okay, so a 1-point deduction has been slapped on Jakrit. De kung tinigil yun, a technical draw kaagad.
Oo.
Under the rules of the WBF.
Yeah, excuse.
That is definitely a nasty cut para dito kay Ray Pelonia.
So it has been ruled an accidental headbutt.
Automatic point deduction para dito kay Jakrit Tawikun Jim.
Nakayuko itong Jakrit to be able to hide his chin.
Yes,
para hindi matamaan eh.
well, nakita niya na rin or natikman niya yung power nitong si Ray Pelonia.
You know, it's strange that a shorter fighter should have an uppercut against a taller fighter. Pero baliktad dito eh. Kasi yung uppercut yun ang isang potent weapon ni Jack Reed.
Ang taller fighter.
Oo, he's a taller of the two.
And
Pero
usually,
matindi yung left jab, ha? Ang ganda ng left jab ng Thailander.
solid and
ang tulis eh.
matulis. And usually for smaller fighters madalas yung tinatarget yung katawan
Hindi makapasok ngayon si Pelonia because of that left jab.
Yeah.
Maganda yung jab nitong si
Magaling.
Reed, Tawikon Jim.
Quality fighter itong Thailander. Quality fighter.
Ayan, I think na-appreciate ng crowd itong ginagawa ni Jack Reed, Tawikon Jim. Maganda yung mga jab and right straight nitong si Jack Reed, Tawikon Jim.
Well, ito ngayon ang question, no? Hindi pa natin masyadong kabisado ang rules ng WBF. Kung matigil itong laban because of that cut which was originally opened by a headbutt under WBC or World Boxing Council rules, technical decision. Under Games and Amusements Board rules, technical knockout. Ano kayang masusundan sa laban na to?
Sa WBF,
Oo.
Remember, this is a WBF International Welterweight Championship fight.
I think this fight is gonna be stopped.
I believe so.
Yeah.
With that
Very
kind
soon.
of cut,
Yun, tinatamaan Tinatamaan pa rin.
And baka halos hindi na makakita si Pelonia from that eye because the blood is obstructing his vision. It's rushing into his eye. Yung cut kasi nasa ibabaw ng mata
Nagso-showboat na rin itong si Jack Reed. Parang si Sukarno kanina.
And gaining in confidence, no? Itong Thailander.
So paano to kinito? If it goes beyond 4 rounds as per WBC rules, ano to? Will this end in the
Well, hindi nga masabi, no? Because
if we talk about the WBC rules,
under the WBC rules, yes, technical decision because you base your decision on how the cut was originally opened.
okay.
Kung accidental headbutt, even if you stop the fight later on, even if the cut was aggravated by punching, you go to a technical decision. It's not a technical knockout.
Okay, so we'll have more of that discussion and more of this great action when we continue.